Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Jagdeep Rosario. Today I will teach you Roman numbers. In this video, I will teach you how to write numbers in system of Roman numerals. Before we start learning Roman numbers, you will see what is Hindu-Arabic system of numerals. In Hindu-Arabic system, we will write 1 to 10 like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and till infinity. This is not English system. This is the Hindu-Arabic system of numerals. And nowadays we are using this Hindu-Arabic system of numerals. But this is not the only system to write numerals. There is another system of writing the numerals and it is called system of Roman numerals. Roman numerals are based on symbols. I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500 and M for 1000. There are some rules for the system of Roman numerals. First one, if a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times it repeats. That means, now I have written here I. This is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Here it repeated 2 times. Here I repeated 3 times. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Here X repeated 2 times. 10 plus 10, 20. Here X repeated 3 times. 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Here C repeated 2 times. 100 plus 100, 200. Here C repeated 3 times. 100 plus 100 plus 100 is equal to 300. That means a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it repeats. Rule number 2. None of the symbols are repeated more than 3 times. And the symbols V, L and D are never repeated. We can repeat 3 times. I plus I means 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. We cannot make I plus I plus I plus I is equal to 4. This is not correct. Only 3 times we can repeat. And in upcoming rules, let us see how to write 4. 4 is equal to, we will write like this. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. We will write like this. This we will see in upcoming rules. Okay. Now, X plus X plus X is equal to 30. C plus C plus C is equal to 100 plus 100 plus 100 is equal to 300. And V, L, D are never repeated because if we cannot write V is equal to 10 because for 10 there is X. This is wrong. X is equal to 10. And here L we cannot write. We cannot repeat it because this is wrong. L is equal to 100. This is wrong. We can write for 100 it is C. C is equal to 100. Okay? C is equal to 100. And D is equal to 500. We cannot write D 2 times because for 1000 there is M. We write M is equal to 1000. Now let us see rule number 3. If a symbol of a smaller value is written to the right of a greater value, then its value is added to the value of the greater symbol. Means when we write the smaller value symbol to the right of the greater value symbol. Then its value gets added. See, this is 5 is greater value symbol. 1 plus 1. Its value gets added is equal to 7. Now, x is greater value and v is smaller value. X plus v means 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Its value added to 10. Value of v added to x means 5 added to 10. Here d is greater value and c is smaller value symbol. So that when we add greater value symbol, when we write smaller value symbol to the right of the greater value symbol, then its value gets added. 500 plus 100 is equal to 600. Rule number 4 is, if a symbol of a smaller value is written left of a greater value, then its value gets subtracted from greater value symbol. This means that when we write smaller value symbol left of a greater value symbol, then its value gets subtracted. See, we have written here v and left of it we have written I. That means that 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Here we have written x and left of x we have written smaller value symbol I. So that 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Similarly, d is 500 and this is we have written c to the left of d. So that 500 minus 100 is equal to 400. Now let us go to rule number 5. Symbols V, L and D are never subtracted. Means these symbols never return left of the greater value symbol. Okay? For example, we will see 450. This is the 450. We cannot write LD. We cannot write. See? CD is 400 plus 50. This is 500 minus 50 is equal to 450. We cannot write like this. This is wrong. Because if we write like this, we violate the rule. V, L and D are never subtracted. Means we never return to the left of a greater value symbol. Now let us see next sub rule in fifth rule. The symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only. We can subtract I from V and X only. That means we can write left of V and left of X only. This I. See here. We cannot write C and left of C I. This violates the rule. 100 minus 1 is equal to 99. This is wrong. This is 100% wrong. This violates the rule. So we write like this. 100 minus 10 plus 9 is equal to 99. This is correct. Next is the symbol X can be subtracted from L, M and C only. Now we have learned all the rules of system of Roman numerals. Shall we write 1 to 10? Come, let us write. 1 can be written as I. 2 times I. 3 times I. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 4, we cannot write 4 times I. 1, 2, 3, 4. We cannot write it. Okay? We have to write 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 5 is V. And 6, 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. We can repeat only 3 times. 8. 9 is 10 minus 1. 9. Now 10 is x. Now you have learned how to write 1 to 10. Shall we write till 100 and then further till 1000? You know 10 is already given here. 10 is nothing but x. Shall we write 15? 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. 20. 10 plus 10. X plus x is equal to 20. 80 is equal to 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 50, 60, 70, 80. We'll write 90. How will write 90? We will write C is 100 minus 10 is equal to 90, and 100 is already given C. 100 can be written as 100 plus 100. 300 can be written as 100 plus 100 plus 100. 400 can be written as not 4 times C. 500 minus 100. D minus C. 600 is no 500 plus 100. 500 is D and 100 is C. Right? 900. How will write 900? 1000 is already given. M. 1000 minus 100 is equal to 900. 1000 is already given. Right? Now we will see how we will write 2000. We will write 2000 is equal to 1000 plus 1000. 3000 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000. Then how do you write 4000? Can we write M 4 times? No, we cannot write like this. This violates the rules. So that, come, I will teach you how to write. Any number, if we take and we write bar on it, its meaning is M is 1000 into 1000. For example, if we write bar on V, its meaning that 5 into 1000. So that how we will write 4000? We will write 4 and write bar on it. This is 4 into 1000, 4000. You can write 4 into 1000 is equal to 4000. How we will write 5000? We already written 5000 here. 5000 is equal to bar on 5. 5000. How we will write 6000? 6 and write bar on it. This is 6000. 10,000. This is equal to, we will write 10 and bar on it. Now shall we write November 9, 2021? You will write November first. November, how will write 9? November 9. Now we will split this. 2000 plus 20 plus 1. 2000 is M. 2020 is X. And 1 is I. This is November 9, 2021. Let us write some more numbers. 50,000. How do we write? 50,000. 50 into 1000, 50,000. 95,000. How will we write? 90. 95,000. Above the 95,000, 95 one bar. This is 95,000. How will we write 95,000 to 21? This can be written as 95,221. Now we will learn how to write 1 lakh to 1 crore. Any number covered with box open at the bottom. This means that number into lakh. Okay, this is equal to 10 lakh. Here 1 lakh. I is 1 and this box covered by I is equal to 1 lakh. This is equal to 1 into lakh. How will we write 50 lakh? 50 lakh. We will write simply this is equal to L is 50 and lakh is cover L by box open at bottom. Now let us write 10 lakh. 10 close box which is open at the bottom means 10 into lakh. That means 10 lakh. 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. Shall we write 1 crore? 1 crore is equal to 10 million. C is 100. 100 into lakh means 100 lakh is equal to 1 crore or 10 million. Now shall we write 100 million? 100 million equal to 10 crores. Write M and close the box which is open at the bottom. This indicates that 1000 into lakh. 1000 lakh is nothing but 100 million. Thank you for watching. I feel you liked this video. If you liked, please press on like button, and if you have not subscribed my channel still, please subscribe my channel and press on bell icon so that you will get notifications of my new videos. Thank you once again. Let us meet in next video. I wish you all the best.